Hi guys, now we have the both cylinder head in place, and now we are torquing. We are checking the system, and this is the sequence. On first stage 50 foot-pounds, and then 30 foot-pounds, and then 37, and then you have to follow the next step, right? Let's do it. So guys, we torqued in the sequence. The first stage was 15 foot-pounds, and then 30 foot-pounds, and then 37 foot-pounds. And now we have to loosen. We have to follow this sequence. For example, number one, we're gonna loosen the bolt. Number one, we're gonna loosen this bolt, and then we're gonna tighten with 33 foot-pounds, and then 180 degrees, and then we're gonna loosen the number two. Following the sequence, we're gonna lose the bolt number two, and then we're gonna tighten with 18 foot-pounds, and then 180 degrees. We have to pay attention about on these sides 1, 3, 5, and 7. This sequence should be the long bolt should be 33 foot-pounds plus 180 degrees, and the sequence 2, 4, 8, and 6. The short bolts are gonna be 18 foot-pounds plus 180 degrees. All right, this is the front of the engine, and then we're gonna start to torque. Number one, 30 foot-pounds. This is the long bolt we are torquing. All the long bolts should be 33 foot-pounds plus 180 degrees, and the short bolts on the exhaust side gonna be 18 foot-pounds plus 180 degrees. Now we're gonna make 180 degrees, 90 degrees, and then 90 degrees. Now we're gonna put some silicone on the edges. Here, right here, on this side, and on the right side too, on the back. And now we're gonna put in place the intake manifold. Look at this, guys. Pretty clean. Everything should be clean.
A mangueira. Traz o suporte aqui. Vai.
Hello guys, everything's in place. The cooler system is off, but everything's in place. Let's try to start the car. Let's go. First start. Yes, that sound is good. We start the car, but the engine shut off because the filter. And now we're gonna try one more time. Let's go. There we go. That's it guys, thank you a lot for watching. Then you're gonna assemble everything. We're gonna put the hose, the coolant system, we're gonna put the antifreeze, have some smoking because the muffler, the exhaust pipe is pretty dirty with oil. I think it's great. That's it.